Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Murinur Inazari. In here, I will present with the detailed analysis of the effect of interest rates, exchange rates, and inflation, and foreign investment or FDI on economic growth in Indonesia in 1986 until 2020. Economic growth. Economic growth is a process in the economy that causes an increase in goods and services and an increase in property in a country. So if the economic growth is high, then the goods to be produced will also increase. This will increase the level of community welfare. Grab economic growth in Indonesia. Based on World Bank data, it shows that economic growth in Indonesia in general from 1986 until 2020 expressed fluctuation or conditional that were not fixed, fluctuating, and fluctuated. The highest economic growth occurred in 1995 at 8.22 and the lowest occurred in 1998 at minus 13.13. National economic growth has decreased continuously for the last 10 years. Economic growth in 2010 was 6.22. In 2011, it was 6.17. In 2012, it fell to 6.03. Until in 2020, it fell to minus 2.07. Dependent variable. Economic growth. Economic growth is dependent as an increase in the ability of an economy to produce goods and services. Independent variable. Interest rates. The interest rate is one indicator in determining whether a person will invest or save. The interest rate is the amount of rupiah paid as a result of using the funds as compensation. Exchange rate. The exchange rate is the price of a currency relative to the currency of other country. Exchange rates play an important role in spreading tensions because they allow us to translate price from different countries into the same language. Inflation. Inflation is a tendency to increase the price of goods and services in general and continuously. Bank Indonesia defines inflation as a general and continuously increase in price. Forex investment. Forex investment in this law is the activity of investing to conduct businesses in the territory of the Republic of Indonesia, which is carried out by the forex investor, either using completely forex capital or in collaboration with domestic investors. Method. In this study, the author used a quantitative research approach with data were obtained from data published by the World Bank, the Central Statistics Agency or CPS, performed study, books, and journal concepts. In this study, to see the effect of interest rate, inflation, exchange rate, and foreign investment on economic growth in Indonesia, using multiple linear regression analysis with ordinary least square approach. The OLS model is a linear regression model with the least square calculation methods. The estimation steps include classical assumption test, model goodness test, and effect validity test to test the model validity. Based on the result of regression, the following result will obtain PA together with beta 0 plus beta 1 TSB plus beta 2 IMF plus beta T course plus beta 4 PNA plus X. Result and discussion. Estimation research. The diagnosis tests show that the estimate model does not seem to have any problem of violating the classical assumption test at all. The empiric probability values for residual normality, autocorrelation, heteroscedasticity, and linearity tests are 0.553 greater than 0.10, 0.494 greater than 0.9 0.493 greater than 0.10, and 0.2057 greater than 0.10, indicating that the estimation model has a normal residual distribution free from autocoloration and heteroscedasticity problems with exact model specification linear. PA, together with 17.147 minus 0.453 TSD minus 0.480 INF, 0.00 course minus 2.550 PMA. Result, interest rate. Interest rate has a regression coefficient of minus 0.453 with probability statistic 0.000, smaller than 0.05, which means that the interest rate variable have a negative and significant effect on economic growth in Indonesia. Inflation. The inflation variable has a regression coefficient of minus 0.480 with probability statistic 0.000, smaller than 0.05, which means that change in the inflation variable have a negative and significant effects on economic growth in Indonesia. Exchange rates. The exchange rates variable has an expectation coefficient minus 0.00 with probability statistics 0.000, smaller than 0.05, which means that change in the exchange rate variable have a negative and significant effect on economic growth in Indonesia. Foreign investment. The foreign investment variable has a regression coefficient of minus 2.550 with probability statistic 0.239 greater than 0.05, which means the foreign investment variable have no effect on economic growth in Indonesia. Result. Based on the result on regression analysis using ordinary least square with a significance of 0.05, estimation of interest rate, inflation, exchange rate have a negative and significant effect on economic growth. Meanwhile, the forex investment variable have no effect on economic growth in Indonesia. Thank you.